This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Fiat 500 door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a trim removal tool and a Torx T20 screwdriver. Begin by gently prying off the small plastic cover situated behind the interior door handle. Once that's removed, you'll find a single Torx T20 screw. Carefully unscrew this to loosen the panel. This initial step is crucial for accessing the hidden fasteners and preventing damage to your door's interior. Take your time to avoid scratching any surfaces. Next, focus on the window switch panel. Using your trim removal tool, gently pry up the entire window switch assembly. Be careful not to apply too much force. Once it's loose, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the switch. This will free up the panel. Then, look under the armrest. You'll find 2 Phillips head screws. Unscrew these to further detach the door panel from its mounting points. These steps are vital for a smooth removal process. Now, let's address the remaining fasteners. At the very bottom edge of the door panel, you'll find 2 more Torx T20 screws. Remove these to ensure the panel is completely free at the base. With all screws out, use your trim removal tool to carefully release the plastic clips that secure the panel around its perimeter. Work slowly and methodically, gently pulling the panel away from the door frame. This prevents breaking any clips and makes reinstallation easier. Finally, with all clips and screws released, you can lift the entire door panel upwards. This action disengages it from the window channel at the top. Once lifted, carefully pull the panel away from the door. You might need to disconnect any remaining electrical connectors for components like speakers or courtesy lights. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Reinstallation is the reverse of these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.